Hello everyone. In this video, I would like to talk about the importance of learning English grammar when we are learning spoken English or business communication or even taking classes for improving our writing skills. This is one perpetual question that I always get from my students, and they ask me that why is it so important to know grammar? We can learn English in a conversational style. Okay, it's absolutely not important. Well, in my opinion, I feel it is extremely important to have a firm and a sound knowledge of English grammar if you are learning English, or if you are improving your or upgrading your speaking levels or writing levels, because there are a couple of reasons to that. Okay, firstly, English grammar is a fundamental, it's the basis. It gives your speaking or writing, in fact your overall communication, it gives you some kind of basis, and it helps you to talk correctly. Okay, it is very important, I feel, that to talk in correct English along with other parameters like vocabularies, pronunciation, presentation style, delivery, and so on. Along with that, it is also important that you speak the English correct. The structure of the sentence when you are talking or when you are writing has to be correct. Otherwise, rest of the parameters will take a complete backseat. Sometimes I have heard people talking like, for example, I am reading a book, okay, and I am reading this book for 10 hours. I feel deeply saddened. I feel so disheartened, and I feel so upset when people talk like this, because this is a complete wrong English. You just can't say that I am reading a book for 10 hours, isn't it? Rather, you should say that, well, I am reading a book now, and I have been reading this book for 10 hours, or I have been reading this book since Monday, or since last month. So this knowledge, basic knowledge of present continuous tense and present perfect continuous tense will help you to speak correct English, and it will further strengthen your communication. Okay. Secondly, I feel that knowledge of English grammar can really strengthen, not only strengthen, it can soften your communication, and it can make you speak very sophisticated and in a clear way. Okay. Sometimes what happens, like when we are in the process of learning English, or we are at a beginner stage, we may not know too many vocabularies, or learning English vocabulary is a mammoth task, because there are many words that we really have to know, and one single word can be used in multiple ways. So to acquire all the knowledge about it and to use it correctly in a pertinent way can be really challenging. Okay, so in that scenario, English grammar can come to your rescue. How? I'll tell you. Like, suppose you go to a restaurant or a hotel and you order something for yourself, and you say that I want to have a cup of coffee. Okay, or you are very busy one day, you are very busy and you're doing some work, and somebody called you on your phone, or somebody comes to meet you, and you just say that I'm very busy right now, I don't want to talk to him, or I don't want to talk to her, please tell him to come later, or please call me later, I'm very busy right now. Now just imagine the tone, isn't it? Like, it's too bossy, authoritative, and can be rude also, and hurtful for the person with whom you're interacting. So in order to make your tone very soft and very polite, you can substitute don't want to or want to with would like to. Okay, now would like to is or would, you can say, is one term that is used extensively in modal verbs. Okay, and if you have the knowledge of modal verbs, you can not only make your communication, as I said, sophisticated and very polite and pleasing, you can take it to the next level altogether. So you can say that I want to have a cup of coffee. Instead of saying that, you can say I would like to have a cup of coffee, please. So you can just imagine how pleasing your communication has become. You can also say, right now I am too busy, or right now I am too preoccupied. Would it be possible for you to come and meet me later? Or I would not like to talk to you right now as I am very busy. So instantly, that authoritative tone, that bossy tone, or you can say that rudeness turns into something very pleasing and polite. Okay, so this is the magic of grammar. If you have the knowledge of grammar, you can just transform your basic communication, sometimes our rude way of talking, authoritative style of talking, into something really very pleasing and polite and sophisticated. It like in a dignified way you can talk. Okay, and lastly, I feel that most of us, when we are learning English, when we are trying to improve our communication level, learning grammar can be really boring. I do accept that. It can make you feel very dull. Okay, you just feel that why do I need to study all these things? I'm just here to improve my speaking abilities or writing abilities. What is the point in learning all these things? The basic problem is that the way the grammar is taught. Okay, if you are taught in a method of in the same method as it is taught in schools, when we were in school, the way the teacher taught us, if you are taught in the same style, you will completely lose interest in that. Okay, rather I feel that you should learn grammar, or you should be taught grammar in a conversational way. How? Like, you should know the concept, and your teacher or your trainer must teach you how to implement that particular grammar into your speaking or into your writing. Like, whenever I am teaching my students, I do ensure that I teach them the concept of grammar, like tenses or articles, modal verbs, you can say a conjunction, preposition, and after that I do ensure that they are learning how to use those chapters, use those grammatical understanding into their speaking or into their writing. And after that stage, I help them with the practice. I constantly make them practice so that they get habitual of speaking the right sentences, along with right, using vocabularies and pronunciation, tone and delivery style. All these things also, I teach them. So it's very important. I completely feel that it is very important to have a proper understanding of this grammar, of English grammar, if you really want to appreciate this language and you want to speak it in a correct way. Okay, so next time when you feel bored, or when you feel tired or dull in learning English grammar, okay, if your teacher or if your trainer insists you to learn English grammar and you feel a little hesitant to learn it, do remember this video, and just push yourself harder, push your limits, come out of your comfort zone, and try to understand that English grammar will strengthen your communication. Okay, it will help you to speak clear, it will help you to speak correct, which is equally important, like using vocabularies and tone and delivery style. Okay, so I thank you for watching this video. I hope you like it, and we'll meet very soon. Thank you so much.